Discover the world of dog breeds, a journey through diversity. Imagine a world where every companion by your side is as unique as a fingerprint. That's the world of dogs. From the towering Great Dane to the tiny Chihuahua, dog breeds showcase an incredible spectrum of size and shape. Their coats, too, tell a story of diversity. Silky, wiry, or fluffy, each breed wears a distinctive cloak that speaks of its heritage. It's not just about looks. The spirited herder, the relentless hunter, and the loyal lapdog all show how breeds have been sculpted by purpose. Humans have played the artist, selectively breeding for centuries. Our needs and desires shaping the canine world in profound ways. This intricate tapestry of breeds offers a perfect companion for every lifestyle, reflecting the rich history of our shared journey. As we marvel at this diversity, let's remember the responsibility we hold to cherish and protect the integrity of every breed's unique legacy.